I'm selling stew peas for 17 years, and it was my dream to come back to my island to represent my Caribbean country. Because I was overseas for 17, 18 years. And I said my dream is anytime I return to my island, I'm going to start a business. And first I start with curry goat and curry cow foot. But I see everyone fall in love for the stew peas. And I'm going to tell you this, I feel so stupendous, extremely impressive for the response that I get. I'm not only a chef, and I do not only bake cake or design cake, but I'm also a mechanic, and I also do body work. You understand? Because that's what I learned when I was coming up. You understand? Different from culinary art and cooking, because cooking at culinary art school, I was forced, not my will. You understand? But my real choice was going to school and become a car maker or become a tradesman, which I can repair car, you understand, and stuff like that. That was the thing I used to like. I was in Toronto, Canada for 3 years, and I moved from Toronto, Canada, and I moved back to New York City, and I lived in New York City for 14 years, then I moved to Florida. And when I moved to Florida, that's when I get the compassion for cooking. Cause I used to do catering in Florida, Dade County, Florida. It was so crazy because first I started off with barbecue pigtail, right? And when I started with barbecue pigtail, then I start with my mac and cheese, then I start with my steamed cabbage because it's America and you gotta cater for the American. But after a while, I see my Jamaican fellas started coming and give me that support. And I say, you know what? I'm gonna give it all Jamaican. You know what I mean? So I started cater for my Jamaican fellas, less American, so I give them mostly curry goat, fried chicken, brown stew chicken, cow foot, butter bean, rice and bean, steamed cabbage, potato salad, and so on and so forth. And the response that I get, oh man, it was so beautiful. You know what I mean? So I say, you know what? I gotta go back to my island and represent my island. Because everyone around the world want to taste Jamaica. You know what I mean? So the thing is, I say, you know what? I don't know what they say about Jamaica, but I gotta come and represent my country. This is the only island, right? And don't get me wrong, this is the only island that you have more citizens who born here who move out of the island. You understand? And I say, no, I gotta represent my island. And I see, I become the stew peas master. Not I'm giving myself the title stew peas master, but it's my customer give it to me. And there's no competition, there's no comparison. Don't care where you go in the world. Jamaican food are the best food you can get on planet Earth. And I'm not gonna brag, I'm not gonna boast, but I got that audacity to tell the world with Observer right here, representing my restaurant and representing myself. Listen, the best food you can get is Jamaican food. And if you want the best stew peas, come to Coronation Market at North Side at Spurline. You can get the best tasting stew peas, best tasting curry goat.